Hey guys, it's Russia and welcome back to my channel. I am really dolled up today. I don't even wear this much makeup in my videos anymore, but today I'm going to be showing you guys my June BoxyCharm box. Now this is my first BoxyCharm and I was really excited to try this out because this is a monthly subscription box and you get 5 full-size beauty products for $25. So I think it's a really good deal, and most of the makeup that I have on my face are from products that I got in this box. So if you guys want to see that, keep on watching. So I am barefaced and I'm ready to apply some makeup, but before I apply makeup, I'm gonna hop into a really exciting body product that I got in this box, and this is the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. Now why I was so excited to get this product is because I literally had this in my Sephora cart 3 or 4 days ago, ready to purchase. I mean, like, click checkout, ready to put my card information in, like I was ready to buy this product. And then I started wavering because it is $18 for this full size and you only get 4 fluid ounces. So to me, I was like, ugh, I don't want to spend $18 on this body scrub and I don't like it. So I feel like it was a sign that I didn't get it because I got it in this BoxyCharm and I paid $25 overall for this box, and this retails for $18. So honestly, I feel like that was like a steal, seriously. And the reason why I was interested in getting this product originally is because I was doing a lot of research on strawberry legs and KP, because I noticed that my legs just were not as smooth as I wanted them to be. When I was doing some research on YouTube, I found a couple of YouTubers who actually have KP, which this scrub is specifically made for, and they were saying that they really love this scrub. They feel like it's really helped to smooth out their legs and they don't feel like they have like congested pores or like congested hair follicles per se anymore. So I'm super excited to try this out, and I definitely will report back if I like it or not. If I like it, it's obviously gonna be in my favorites video, and I feel like if I don't like it, it's not. So just wait for the favorites video because that will be the test on whether I like this or not. So the next product that I got is actually a Korean beauty product, and I love Korean beauty products because I feel like they're made with like really high quality clean ingredients, and this one is the Purlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30. It is oil-free, moisturizing, and it gives you that natural looking coverage. I don't really like super light coverage. I feel like it doesn't really do anything. It just sort of like gives you a glow and that's it. But I'm excited to try this out and let's see what this does. And I feel like my face is like low-key kind of light, so hopefully this is. So I'm gonna show you guys it. Oh yes, this definitely, yes, BoxyCharm, you got it right. Thank you. This may also not match me exactly, but we will see. I think it will. Oh, wait, hold on. I feel like this is going to match me. Hold on, let's see. It's a tad light, I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, this is definitely too light for me. I feel like this is the type of product that I could use with like bronzer. I feel like if it was winter time, I could get away with this. Honestly, I feel like I could get away with this right now, but also it's a little ashy. But I like the way it feels on my skin. It is definitely really moisturizing, but this blended into my skin really well, and I feel like it gives pretty good coverage. It's definitely light to maybe like a low medium coverage, but this is really nice. I feel like if I got this in my exact shade, I would definitely use this a lot in the summertime. So the next product is actually a skincare product, and I was super excited about this until I started reading on it and I realized that I actually can't use this, so I'm handing this over to my mother. But this is the QMS Mehta Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. So pretty much you take this and you put it on like your upper lip, like obviously like above your lip, not on your lip. And it's supposed to help with like fine lines and wrinkles, and I thought this was super cool because I've never seen a product specifically targeting your like upper lip area. So if you are older and you're dealing with that, I feel like this would be a cool product to try. However, this product retails for $200. Like, I don't know who would spend $200 on a lip line corrector serum that is only meant for this part of your face. I mean, personally for me, I don't think I would do it, but I mean, it's cool that you can try a $200 product that most average people wouldn't be using, which is why I think BoxyCharm is a really cool concept, because you really get your money's worth on how much you're paying. You're paying $25 for 5 full-size products, because if you're anything like me, I'm always on Sephora like looking at their new collection tab and seeing all the new skincare, body products, makeup and things like that that are out. So I'm really glad to be subscribed to this because I feel like I'll save money instead of buying so many new products. But this is definitely a really cool concept, and look, you get a $200 skincare product in a $25 box. I mean, I'm not complaining. I mean, I'm not using it, but I'm not complaining. So now we're moving on to an eyeshadow palette, and I was so excited when I saw a palette in my box because I know some people don't get palettes in their first boxes, and this one is the Touch and Soul Fill Up Orange palette. Now this palette retails for $32, and I'm actually going to create a look with this so you guys can see my first impressions on the shadows and how they really do on my eyelids. So I am going to zoom in for you guys, but I want to show you all the overview of the palette. So when I opened this palette, I really was surprised because I've never seen a palette with really abstract different circle sizes. I've only seen, like, you know, all the uniform same sizes, which I think it's really unique, but I don't also know how I feel about it because, like, what if I like one of these smaller colors more and I wanted it to be like this big shade? But I really do love the colors in this palette. It is called the Fill Up Orange palette, and I feel like there's not enough orange in here, if I'm gonna be genuinely honest. I really do love this beautiful, like, pressed glitter eyeshadow, but I do wish there were more warmer tone oranges in this palette because that's sort of what I was expecting if I get like an orange palette. This does have 3 matte shades, these 2 over here and then this light brown over here. I was really hoping that this dark cocoa brown was a matte shade because I love to use these colors for my transition in my crease. I'm excited to try this out and just see the quality of these shadows because I've never used a Touch and Soul palette before or anything from them. So let me zoom in so that I can show you guys this eye look. Okay, so I just primed my lid with the Glossier Stretch Concealer. I don't have any eyeshadow primer. I really need to go get some, but that should do for now. So I'm gonna go in with this light tan as my like crease color, and I'm gonna just start building up the product on my eyes. Now I really didn't know what to expect when I just touched this color on my crease, but it's actually surprisingly really nice. I didn't think that this was actually going to show up on my skin, if I'm gonna be genuinely honest, but it looks really nice. I feel like it's blending in beautifully. So now we're gonna go in with that shimmery like cocoa brown, and I'm really just going to tap my brush in there because I don't know how pigmented that's gonna be when I start applying it, and I really don't want to make this look more dramatic than I really want it to be. I really love the way that these products are blending together. I feel like sometimes when you get eyeshadow palettes, the colors feel like they weren't made to work together, and I feel like these are really working nicely. I'm also really like just tapping my brush into this brown eyeshadow, so I feel like that's why it's applying so nicely as well, because I have very little product that I'm working with. So now I'm gonna go in with this really pretty like rose gold eyeshadow, and I'm gonna put this in like the inner lid because I am gonna go in with that really pretty bright orange glitter on like the middle of my eye. I feel like honestly this color was made to be used. It's like the brightest thing in this palette, so I really wanted to show you guys what it looks like on. So I'm gonna just apply this pretty rose gold in the corner. It's like very rosy in the palette, but when you put it on, it really looks like a true like rose gold. Like it looks like rose gold jewelry to me. So now we're gonna go in with this like orange glitter, but we're just gonna put that like in the center. Wow, that's cute. Oh, I love this. This is giving me like really pretty vibes. I would so use this like going to like a music festival. You know why I like it? Because it definitely gives off glitter vibes. It's more of a pressed glitter than like a true glitter eyeshadow. So it gives you that like sparse look instead of that like full-blown glitter eyeshadow look, which I feel like looks way better than like putting on a full glitter eyeshadow. Okay, so now we're gonna go back in with that crease color, and I'm going to add a little bit more dimension. So I'm thinking of going in with this like matte pink and sort of just tying this look together. I really did like the application of these shadows, and I think they're really pretty on, but I do not think that I would have bought this palette if I just saw it in a store, being that I don't think the colors are super unique. I think the only color that obviously really stuck out to me and probably stuck out to everybody is this pressed glitter orange. But other than that, I feel like all of these colors traditionally come in a lot of neutral palettes. But overall, I'm really happy with this look, and I definitely will be using this palette again. So let's move on to the last product, and this one is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This is a loose highlighter powder. Now I have seen people rave about this product before, so I'm really excited to try it, and this is in the shade Conceited, which is actually like that name, man, I can't. But it looks so pretty. It's really a nice glittery shade. Okay, so I just dipped my brush in this highlighter and this is about to be real intense. I can already tell, like, can you see all that glitter like popping off? So I'm gonna take a little bit of that and I'm gonna put it on my cheekbones. I haven't done loose highlighter in a really long time. This is really throwing me back to like 2016 makeup and like really intense glitter. Whoa, okay, that's really intense. I'm gonna just like, wow, no, this is gorgeous. Honestly, I'm gonna just let the nose glow, man. I mean, this is a lot of highlighter on my face. My nose is glowing, like it's like, hey, look at me. The cheekbones are definitely glowing when the light hits it. Wow, this is a really nice highlighter. It's definitely pigmented, so if you're gonna get this, don't go overboard because I feel like it can get messed up really quickly. And because it is so pigmented, you really don't need a lot. So this jar, I feel like could last you a really long time because even if you are using this every single day, I feel like it would take a lot to really see a dent, being that I really didn't use that much product on my face and I still am giving like full-blown glowy vibes. So that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And before we end, I wanted to give you guys the total retail value of this BoxyCharm box. So everything in this box ended up being $312. So honestly, paying $25 and getting $312 worth of products is honestly insane. And I really do recommend BoxyCharm. I'm so excited to get my July box. And don't worry, I will make sure to do a video on the July box as well so you guys can see everything that I got. Make sure to like this video to help support my channel and get this video in the algorithm so that more people can see it. Make sure to comment down below and subscribe so that you guys can see me here every Wednesday and Sunday. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.